Let I be the first to say happy perihelion to both of you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I'll explain what we're talking about, as a matter of fact. The Earth does not orbit the sun in a perfect circle, but in an ellipse, kind of an oval shape. And it's interesting to note that tomorrow will be about 91.4 million miles away. But it's actually that we're the closest right now. We're farther away from the sun in July by about 3 million miles. So the question is why? Of course, is it winter time? That's all has to do with the tilt of the Earth on the axis, and we're tilted away, so we're getting less daylight. The longer nights have much more influence than a few million miles away from the sun. We're flip-flopped. Our summers would be a little bit hotter, though, and our winters would be a little bit colder. So happy perihelion to all of you. 33 at 7 a.m., 39 by 9 a.m., 49 by 11 a.m. with some windy conditions expected. Let's check out today. 48 was the high, 20 the low. The normals are 43 and 17. And right now in Denver, temperature under a mostly clear sky, 37. Same at the airport. Pressure's falling slightly. Winds are out of the southwest. Here's the big map. We have a front coming in from the west, but it's going to take a while to get here. So at first, it's dragging in some milder air into Colorado as we head into the weekend. And for tonight, that means some gusty winds and some high clouds by early morning as this warm front begins to pass by. Lows tonight, 25 in Denver, 13 Leadville, 5 below zero down at Alamosa along the Front Range. By morning, low temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 20s, although some of the western and southern suburbs will stay well into the 30s, but the winds will be rather gusty. Teens in the mountains with gusty winds in the morning, some high clouds around. By midday, windy, warmer, mostly sunny. By late in the day, here comes that western front. The clouds increase. Northwest Colorado, mostly clear elsewhere. And it's going to be a warm day tomorrow. 57 in Denver, 61 down at Springfield. Mostly 30s and 40s in the mountains, although Gunnison a little bit colder at 20 degrees. High temperatures along the Front Range going to be in the upper 50s to close to 60 over some of the western and southern suburbs. And in the mountains, a nice day for skiing, 30s and even low 40s. Tonight, mostly clear, kind of cold, winds from the southwest and a low of 25. Tomorrow's going to be windy, but it's going to be warmer, high 57 degrees with gusty southwest winds. Let me show you what happens after that. The front is moving in by late in the day Saturday. We're mild and dry ahead of it. Front goes by early Sunday. Cooler but dry on the plains. Some snow showers develop in the mountains, and they increase Sunday night into early Monday with 3 to 6 inches of snow possible, mainly along and north of Interstate 70. Stays dry on the plains, but windy and a little colder for Monday. So here's your 7-day. Tomorrow's 57. Sunday's 45, Monday's only 38, but no snow at lower elevations, just a shift in the winds. Looking ahead, it gets a little milder again for the first part of next week, bouncing back to 52 by Wednesday. A little bit stronger storm comes in Thursday with a high temperature of 35 and a chance of some light snow.